Okay, now today I want big fan, and we check what inside this fan. This fan is not work, and I want to tell you how it's work again and how why it's not work. Okay ថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំមានកង្ហារមួយកង្ហារធំមួយដែរនេះវាឈរហើយជាធុងដែរខ្នាតធំជារបស់ចិនវាអត់ដើរទេវាដើរទេអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងដោះក្នុងវាមើលថាមានអីខ្លះចំពោះកង្ហារមួយនេះហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យវាដើរធម្មតាវិញអូខេឥឡូវយើងមើលបងប្អូនគ្នា So let's start we check in what inside this fan in one big fan and how to make it work again repair it work again so let's go the first time you food you should be or you must be to check plug in with fire if it's not cut out we check more but the first we check it's not cut out it becomes sorry okay to become new the first step we must be to check plug in with fire electric we check one by one using this one okay it's gonna take it here the boy the test sorry yes it here it's here it's not cut out and check another side this one yes it is not cut out too អញ្ចឹងជំហានដំបូងយើងគួរតែឆែកមើលខ្សែវាថាវាដាច់អត់ពីក្បាលនេះទៅខ្សែខាងក្នុងវានេះបើវាដាច់ទេចាំយើងឆែកមើលដុំនេះដុំខាងក្នុងខាងក្រោយនេះ so again the first step we should to check up with the plug in and wire it's not cut out we check more yeah we check more now we move out to make easy to repair okay dương đọc slap đi mất rồi sưu thời gian you see it យើងមើលទៅឃើញសត្វតលីដីអញ្ចឹងបញ្ហាកង្ហាលអត់វិលអាចមកពីដុំខាងក្រោយនេះហើយនឹងដុំមួយនេះអញ្ចឹងកង្ហាលវាមិនងាយខូចដុំហ្នឹងទេអញ្ចឹងយើងជំហានទី2យើងដោះវាចេញទៅហើយយើងផ្លុំយើងអីចឹងទៅហើយយើងលាងវាស្អាតចឹងទៅបើថាវានៅវិលអាហ្នឹងយើងចាំធ្វើជំហានទី3 Okay the step 2 we check and this because this is not easy to broken so we clean it up we clean up after clean it's well or it try to work next step we change or remove this one out so let's start wait a minute yes យើងមកវាស្អាតទៅយើងតិចច្រឡំបោះនឹងទឹកហ្នឹងយើងមិនបោះលាងទឹកអីទេយើងគ្រាន់តែបោះវាស្អាតអីចឹងទៅវាមូលស្អីសក់ស្អីអីហ្នឹងកាលអង្ហែលវាអត់ដើរដោយសារវាស្ងួតពេកវាអត់ខ្លាញ់គោវាដីច្រើនពេកអញ្ចឹងយើងបោះវាស្អាតទៅអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើទឹកone if the fan sorry I mean if the fan is one rotate is very good we don't need to remove out or remove out clean up it's okay it's for you it's up on you but make sure we should be removed okay now we remove to make sure it work long time and good also no hand by hand don't remove it oh my god sorry I cannot remove it because it low quality cannot remove so I have another choice I clean up like this អញ្ចឹងយើងដោះអាកាសដោយសារវាខ្ចៅផាចិនវាមិនផាចិននេះច្បាស់យួនហើយវៀតណាមអញ្ចឹងយើងបាច់ remove វាចេញក៏បានដែរយើងបាញ់អាទឹកលាងច្រេះនេះបាញ់ទៅតែបាញ់ចំសំណុំវាក៏អីដែរតែកុំឲ្យបាញ់ខាងពេកអូខេយើង clean មុខខាងក្រោយOkay, now we test for plug-in with AC. Test it. Let's try to work or not. It's not work. Yes, it works. See it? It works. It's try to work. So we using this clean up. But if you using this spray for clean, it's not. This one is not work a long time. It's work about 2 or 3 days, and then it stop again. ចឹងយើងប្រើស្ប្រាយបាញ់យ៉ាងច្រើនដើរតែមួយថ្ងៃពីរថ្ងៃឯងវាឈប់ដើរដោយសារវាស្អិតចឹងយើងដាក់ខ្លាញ់គោទៅខ្លាញ់គោយើងបៀកខាងក្នុងបើយើងដោះចេញយើងបៀកខ្លាញ់គោខាងក្នុងតែម៉ែវានេះខាងមុខខាងក្រោយចឹងទៅតែខ្ញុំអត់បានបង្ហាញក្នុងវីដេអូនោះទេយើងបៀកទៅឥឡូវវា it's work yeah it's right to work it's work but however it's work we must be remove this one out to make strong work protect and we must use this, you know, this one. This. And put around this one, and by hand or using the thing. Okay. So now it's work. You see it? Now I stop and I change this one. Change this one. ចឹងដំណាក់កាលទី3ហ្នឹងយើងដូរកង់ដងចឹងទៅព្រោះពេលច្រើនកង់ដងហ្នឹងយើងប្រើយូរវាខ្សោយ so we change this one because the fan use a long time it's power in countdown to give this is very low, so we change using this. Yes. Okay, I'll change. Okay, wait a minute.